guys, it's Nancy Princess Anna here. Ooh. So, Mommy got me this book. It's called Human Body Theater. It talks about like all the different parts of the human body, and it goes through like from the bones to like the respiratory system and the digestive system. It goes through all those different things. So she bought it for me, and I was like, oh, what's this? Because she wanted to buy me it because I want to learn so much about the human body and like the layers and everything. So she bought me the book, and I started reading it because I was like, I want to learn about the bones and the respiratory system. So I was reading, and when I was on the first chapter, I'll go to the table of contents. Here we go. So page 1 is the introduction, and then act 1 is the skeletal system. So I was looking at that, and guess what? So you guys know that I'm having surgery on my knees, so to stop them from bowing inward. And I was talking about the plates, right? So he's gonna cut me open and for my knees, and they're like rectangular.
Like right here.
Yeah, like right there.
And he's gonna put plates.
Yeah, plates.
And what are they gonna do? The plates?
And the plates are like rectangular plates that are on the plates you like eat on, like dinner plates.
And they're gonna help with what?
And they're gonna help with my knees bowing inward.
They're gonna help as you grow, they're gonna help push your knees back straight, right?
Yeah, because my knees are bowing in instead of bowing out.
Because you grew so fast.
Yeah.
Because you keep getting so big.
Yeah.
You were reading the chapter about the skeletal system?
Yep.
What'd you find?
The plates.
You found the plates?
Yeah, I found the plates.
Like the same kind you're gonna get for your surgery?
Yeah, so this is the beginning.
That's so cool.
Okay, so watch me flip through these pages.
I love that the book is like comic book style.
Yeah.
Super cool.
So this is all like the parts, and it was talking about like when you break the bones, like what happens. So
That's what Dr. Feldman did when he cut into your femurs when you had your leg surgery.
Yeah.
Basically, you had 2 broken femurs and he had to put plates over them.
yeah. So this is just the first part of it. Just talking about the spine. Let's see. And I was just flipping through it, and I was looking.
And all of a sudden,
I found, so this is like the first page of all the bone stuff. And he's talking about like fractures, which I actually fractured my tibia. Since there was a hard floor at the kitchen floor, and there wasn't any like rugs until like the middle of the floor, I was walking in there to throw a bottle away or something, and I fell, but I fractured my tibia, my fibula. So it just fractured. I don't know why.
it was a buckle fracture.
Yeah, it was a buckle fracture. Because sometimes I buckle my knees up and I like fall, and sometimes things fracture and stuff. So I think, yeah. So
this is what you saw.
yeah. So this is the bone, and I think he was talking about like the stuff. And he said the fracture is in a larger, if the fracture is in a larger bone, like the femur, and it needs something, metal plates or pins can be used to keep the bone from moving around. So see, that's one of the plates.
That's exactly what Dr. Feldman did to your femurs, both of your femurs. He took an inch out of both of your femurs when he did your leg surgery. He cut them here and here, took an inch out, put them back together, and put plates and screws on the sides of your leg.
Yep.
And then 6 months later, you went back and got the plates and screws out.
Yeah. Can I read you a little bit of this book?
But that is a similar kind of plate to what you're gonna get.
Yeah, well, what do you think the next plate would look like?
I think it's gonna be very similar to that. I think it's gonna, and he said he's gonna put them right below your knees, so they're gonna go in right here.
Yeah.
To try and control some of this growth.
Can I read you a little bit of this book? I'll just start from the beginning.
Okay.
It's funny. Okay, sorry. This here, I'll just use it for like. I just see a hand. Okay, so it says, "Oh, hello. You're all here. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't figured it out yet, I'm a skeleton. Yep, a bona fide human skeleton. If you are concerned about my rather bare appearance, do not worry. Over the course of this performance, I will be fully formed. There are a few additions that will help me look a bit more complete. Muscles, a brain, a heart, some lungs." Muscles. Right. But before we start all of that, I would introduce you to our hard-working stagehands. Cells. What's that? You can't see them. Me neither. That's because cells are microscopic. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with germs and bacteria. Look at the tip of your finger. Now zoom in 2,000 times. It looks like this.
Whoa. Skin cells.
Skin cells. All living things, organisms, on this planet, skin planet, are made of these tiny structures called cells. Our bodies have lots of different types of cells. Bone cell, white blood cell, muscle cell, red blood cell, and nerve cell. Looking inside cells. But most of all of these cells contain the same basic parts. Can you read those to me?
Endoplasmic reticulum. Say endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Good. Golgi body.
Golgi body. This is a Golgi body.
I think that's how it's pronounced, if I remember correctly. Nucleus.
Nucleus. That's easy for me.
Taking me back to
Vessel.
biology.
Vessel.
Vesicle.
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 Are you a vesicle?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
And cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
And cytoplasm.
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 The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell. The nucleus contains the genetic instructions, DNA. It's holding the DNA book.
Funny.
The nucleus contains the genetic instructions, the DNA, inside the body for the cell. What is this word?
Sound out.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria provides energy for the cell.
Mm-hmm.
Proteins.
Proteins.
It doesn't even have a P, it's just this squiggly thing. Looks like rottens because it was no P. Like the endoplasmic reticulum
Good job.
makes proteins like enzymes.
Nice work.
Golgi bodies package proteins into vessels.
Vesicles.
Vesicles. Vesicles leave the cell carrying substances produced by the cell.
Nice. All right, we got to get off of here. I'll have to read more to them later. Say
Yep.
goodnight.
Maybe I should make a whole video reading the whole book.
Oh, they would probably love that. Well, that's pretty cool that you found information about your plates. I love that. And I love that you love the book.
Yeah.
You recommend it to other
Yeah.
kiddos to read?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's show them one last time. What's it called again?
It's called Human Body Theater.
Human Body Theater.
That's what it looks like.
Nonfiction by Maris Wicks. We found it on Amazon. I found it on Amazon. It was recommended by some of the parents in one of the gifted groups I'm in.
Yeah.
So,
So,
good night.